Hello, soon-to-be seniors. To assist you with your course request for your senior year, I'd like to take a few moments to discuss course selections and review four-year college admission requirements. While you're determining what course to select for next year, please review your course catalog for course descriptions, prerequisites, and other helpful information. The electronic course catalog has been included in the Google Classroom announcements and on our CVHS counseling webpage under Register for Classes. We encourage all students to discuss their course options with their guardians, teachers, and/or their counselor. Once you have made your course selections, we suggest you write these selections onto the attached planning sheet or a piece of paper, as you'll need to enter this information into PowerSchool and fill out the Google survey form regarding your course requests. Now, let's get started by looking at course in language arts. Seniors have many options to meet their language arts requirement, so it is recommended that you review the course catalog to consider all choices and make the best selection based on your interests and future plans. If you have questions about which course may be the best fit, visit with your current language arts teacher to discuss options. Next, let's take a look at options in math. 3 credits of math are required for graduation. All students must pass Algebra 1 and Geometry. While Algebra 2 is not a high school graduation requirement, it is required for students who plan on attending a 4-year college directly after high school. A 4th year of math is required by many colleges, so please verify admission requirements for the schools you are planning on applying to. Algebra 2 is not required by 2-year colleges, but it is highly recommended. Please refer to the course catalog to review available math options. We encourage all students to talk with their current math teacher if they have questions about appropriate math placement. Now we'll take a look at science. 3 credit science are required for graduation. Most 4-year universities require an Algebra 2-based science course for admission. CV classes that meet this requirement for most universities are chemistry, physics, AP Environmental Science, and medical interventions. Researching admission requirements for colleges of interest is recommended as their requirements may be different. We have many science courses available, so please refer to the course catalog to see all available options. Talking with your current science teacher to discuss options is also recommended. Next, let's review options for 12th grade social studies. 3 credits of social studies are required for graduation. Many take civics and current world problems their senior year, while others may want to try AP government. Students that choose to take AP European history will still need to fulfill the civics requirement and it is not met after completion of AP Euro. Please refer to the course catalog for full course descriptions. The remainder of your course requests will be fulfilled by taking courses in the following areas: world language, CTE, fine arts, PE, or additional electives. For example, maybe you're planning on attending a 4-year college and you need to finish another year of a world language. Or, as another example, maybe your career pathway is business and marketing. You may want to sign up for project management, but first, make sure you met the prerequisites. Other students may want to fulfill their graduation requirements by taking another PE or fine arts course. We have already reviewed this some, but let's go over the minimum admission requirements for 4-year colleges one more time. If you're planning on attending a 4-year college, you'll need to complete 4 years of language arts, 3 years of math, although remember, 4 years is recommended, 3 years of science, which needs to include an algebra-based course, 3 years of social studies, and at least 2 years of the same world language. It is important to check with individual colleges and universities you may be interested in attending, as their admission requirements may be different. Let's now take a look at course alternates. While planning for next school year, please make note of 3 to 4 classes you'll be willing to take if you are unable to get into your top choices. You will not be able to put your alternates into PowerSchool, although it is important to provide a list of options as you're providing alternates on your Google course request form. Next, we'll discuss other programs you may be interested in pursuing. Central Valley Virtual Learning, also known as CVVL, is our district's online learning program. This is not a full-day online program, although students do have the option to take 1 to 2 classes through CVVL in place of 1 or 2 CV classes. If you opt to take a CVL course as a 7th period, there is a charge for the course. On the other hand, if you take a CVL class as part of your 6th period day or in place of a CV class, there is no charge. If you are interested in taking an online course through CVVL, you must complete the registration form and have that form signed by a parent and counselor. Seniors also have access to Spokane Valley Tech, New Tech Skills Center, and Running Start. SPT and NewTek are programs where students attend 3 periods of school day, generally in the morning, in place of their 3 CB classes in the morning. You must register for SPT or NewTek by completing the registration forms online. Running Start enables high school students to attend classes at SCC, SFCC, or EWU and earn both high school and college credit simultaneously. This program requires an application process. More information can be found on our counseling webpage under Running Start. If you're planning on attending any of these programs, you will still complete course requests for a full CB class schedule. Once your application has been processed, your counselor will work with you to adjust your schedule. Please remember that online course requests need to be completed in PowerSchool by March 3rd. You will also need to complete the Google survey form located in the new Google Classroom for your senior class. Remember, your counselors are here to help, so please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you may have. Hope you found this information helpful, and go Bears!